What's up, you guys? It's Matt here, and we're here to talk about AMC right now. And the reason why we're talking about AMC is because AMC had a decent move today and almost had an amazing or just absolutely through the roof move today. Almost, right? Almost. We did see a little bit of a resistance, but I said yesterday in my video, I titled it AMC is going to explode soon, right? That's what I put in my title. And so many people were like, you know what? I don't believe it's going to explode. Literally within 2 minutes of posting that, it was exploding in the after hours market. Went all the way up to $43 and some odd cents. And I was really happy about that because no way did I really mean that it was going to explode right away. Just thought we were going to see something, in the coming days or maybe even weeks or so. Breaking 40, getting to 45, all of that. And a lot of people were just like, no, I don't accept it. There's so many clickbait titles out there, and I understand. I really do understand because we have to do it. It's YouTube. YouTube views are down. This is kind of our way of life. This is a way for me to separate my 9 to 5 to my business, which is always great to be able to do. But just hear people out, really hear people out. And no way am I saying that I'm right, but it did kind of make a move yesterday, right? And it made a move today. So anyways, we're going to get into the detail in this video of what did happen today, even though we saw an increase and a little bit of a decrease, or a little bit heavier of a decrease after the after hours market and pre-market that we had, yesterday. But before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. And if you want to check out some of my other channels across YouTube, go ahead and check those out. Links will be down in the description, or you can go to my channel and see all associated channels. I have a bunch, so definitely subscribe to all of those if you're interested in any of that content. I play golf, I play video games as well. If you guys are interested in that and want to see it, let me know and I can upload more. Also the MP Shorts channel, all of that stuff, as well as the link to getting 2 free stocks with Webull down below. Anyways, we are here to talk about this position, AMC. AMC went up to a high today of $44.21. You can see the movement that we did have. Yes, it looks like it's not positive based on open to close. We understand that. It opened up at $40.96, almost $41, and then closed here at $40.78. So closed just a little bit lower than where it opened. However, previous close was at $38.79. So it is up and has made some really violent moves today, which was definitely interesting to see in the beginning of the day. Now, you can see here that in the pre-market, we didn't really see too much movement, more consolidation than anything. We did see a little glimpse of hope, pushing us up to that $42 level. But what we were talking about here in this explosion was last night. You saw this increase. I posted my video somewhere around this point, and then a few minutes later, it exploded all the way up to $42.42. Did decrease down, had a large, negative candlestick, but then started to increase more, get up to $43.65 before starting to fall down a little bit and kind of settling. But today we saw a massive amount of positions that were actually moving. This GME included. We saw this move from this $40.96 mark all the way up to $44.21. We saw 81 million shares worth of volume today, which is double the amount that we've seen on some of the high days that we've had, some of the big moving days. So we obviously have some shorts that's going into this, because obviously bringing this back down to a certain point, when you have increases like this, you have violent moves on the way up, it creates FOMO buyers, which we will continue to see those come in, but as long as they continue to short it, we'll see that fall off. Now, we will have people that take profit. That's just how it goes. People take profit at certain levels and they just accept certain areas. Now, for GameStop, I didn't expect for that to get where it got. I expected that to pull back before then, just like this pull back before 45. I expected that to pull back before 45. I didn't expect the GameStop to get up to 250, but we can get into that in the MP Shorts channel if you guys want to see that video. And make sure you go over there and subscribe. That'll be up sometime after this. But you can see here that it did decrease down to a level of $38.88, which is basically where the previous close was. somewhere around break even. After that, seeing that increase to a level where it did close at $40.78 is definitely great to see that 5% increase. But they shorted it all the way down to this point. This wasn't just people taking profit. I would say you have some people taking profit somewhere around here, probably here to here. But then that recovery really is just created of a lot of buyers. And then you just have a bunch of people that are probably, or hedge funds that are shorting the position so that people don't thrive from this. They don't gain a massive amount. They don't get to $45 or $50 or anything like that. Obviously, the hedge funds don't want us to get to that point, but we're going to get there. We're eventually going to get there, and they're going to feel sorry, for everything that they did, because they're going to lose a lot of money. That's just how it's going to work. So still holding on to my shares, 900 shares of AMC, but this is at right now $40.78. Well, currently it's at $40.60, down about 0.44% in the after hours market. Now I still have my call options for 145 for December 17th. If this gets anywhere near 100, then obviously I will have some positive moves there. I did increase in my call option by $70, but I'm down quite a bit on those two call options, a total of $600 down. And that's fine. That's perfectly fine. I believe that this will make a move by the end of the year, but 145 was a little, out there. I thought we would see like 200. We would see probably somewhere around 70 by now, and then we would see that skyrocket and just, lift off, right? But that wasn't the case. Hopefully we can have that as we go into the next couple of weeks or so. We can see some positivity that makes me think that we can get back to that point, because remember, my call options December 17th. So I have about a month, a little over a month. Let's go into some of the Ortex data to understand what did happen here. So we do have a negative change in the short interest. We're down to 16.72% short interest of free float. We do have 85 million shares. You can see the return shares, 3.42 million shares, while borrowing 673,000 shares. Now, this doesn't mean that they're covering more than they're shorting. This just means that they or whoever returned more than was borrowed. Borrow doesn't mean shorted shares. They're two different things. So you borrow the shares in order to short or do a bunch of other things, but most likely they're going to pre-borrow those shares in order to short the position in a later date. So don't think that that's just it's showing us, oh, they're covering, get out of the position now. That's what they want you to take from this. That's not right. Don't look at it that way. You can also see utilizations at 87. The shares on loan did go up to 106.6. But all in all, today was a great day. I'm really happy with the way today moved. And even though we did see a pullback, it kind of confirms that they don't want us to get to these points. This is clear manipulation, clear shorting that's going on. Now, this is not financial advice. None of this that I say is financial advice. It's merely just my opinion. But you can take it however you want. You can play whatever plays you want to play. And hopefully you make some money. That's what we care about, is the everyday person making money. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos just like this one. We're almost at 130,000 subscribers. So if you guys can get me there, please help out, because I would love to get there. It would be great. But I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you guys check out some of my other channels in the description and over on my channel section. Don't forget the 2 free stocks with Webull. They're giving out a ton with Webull. Basically if you sign up for Webull, and you don't even have to deposit really anything, just basically like $1 or something, and you can get 2 free stocks. It's pretty awesome. And I believe I just got a share of Apple, and I haven't checked my free stocks in a while, and I just got a share of Apple, which is freaking amazing. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.